Hi, it's Jan from Velomobile World, and I wanted to give you a short update from the workshop. It's still not fully finished because we are not focusing on it too much, so we go on, slow. When we have some time with the employees, we work a bit, then we stop working with it. So that's why it goes a bit slow. So welcome in the tour. Here upstairs we have a lot of spare parts laying around, or organized, let's call it that way. Here behind, after the wooden wall, we have the daily warehouse. This area is not really fully finished. This will be for spare parts, shipping spare parts. Here we need to clean up still a lot. There we have, let's say, front frames, front suspension, parts we produced but we had no space for it. And here upstairs we have a bunch of molds, so I can show you. We have a lot of molds which we don't use or don't use too often. So these one coming up here, and it's quite a mess because there comes every time more in and then a couple of things out. So yeah, this space, this area here will come the new spray boot. But that takes still a little bit. So here inside we have the spray preparation painting. So here this space became like twice as big as they had before. Before it was really tiny. And here will come the painting polishing. And it's not fully ready. The lights are not fully finished. Here we are working still on it. Have fun. See you next time. Bye bye.